Hello. I'm happy you came, and I'm glad I can help you a little with the English language. I also like learning other languages, and I noticed there are many expressions with the same meaning in different languages. I'll share some with you, let me know if you agree. To kill two birds with one stone. Meaning, to accomplish two tasks at once. Example 1. I read while exercising. Two birds, one stone. Example 2. Cooking a big meal today saves me time tomorrow. Two birds down. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Meaning, children resemble their parents. Example 1. She's just as sarcastic as her mom. The apple didn't fall far. Example 2. Look at him fixing cars like his dad, apples and trees. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Meaning, don't assume something will happen before it does. Example 1. You haven't won yet, don't count your chickens. Example 2. Stop planning the party. We don't even have the venue. A wolf in sheep's clothing. Meaning, someone who pretends to be nice but isn't. Example 1. He acted helpful but was a wolf in sheep's clothing. Example 2. That salesman seemed trustworthy, total wolf. The last straw. Meaning, the final small event that causes someone to lose patience. Example 1. That rude email was the last straw. I quit. Example 2. My phone dying again was the last straw today. Add fuel to the fire. Meaning, make a bad situation worse. Example 1. Her yelling just added fuel to the fire. Example 2. Don't criticize him now, you'll add fuel to the fire. Every cloud has a silver lining. Meaning, there's always something positive in a bad situation. Example 1. I lost my job, but I found my dream career. Silver linings. Example 2. Missing the train let me meet an old friend, every cloud. Beat around the bush. Meaning, avoid saying something directly. Example 1. Stop beating around the bush and tell me what's wrong. Example 2. He's beating around the bush instead of giving me the bad news. Walking on eggshells. Meaning, being overly careful about what you say or do. Example 1. After the fight, I felt like I was walking on eggshells. Example 2. We're all walking on eggshells around the boss today. Make a mountain out of a molehill. Meaning, exaggerate a small issue. Example 1. It's a small scratch. Don't make a mountain out of a molehill. Example 2. She's turning a tiny problem into a big deal. Burn the candle at both ends. Meaning, to overwork yourself. Example 1. He's burning the candle at both ends with work and school. Example 2. If you keep this up, you'll burn out. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, to be exactly right. Example 1. Your analysis hit the nail on the head. Example 2. She said I needed sleep, and she hit the nail on the head. Miss the boat. Meaning, miss an opportunity. Example 1. You missed the boat by not applying sooner. Example 2. That sale ended yesterday, you missed it. The ball is in your court. Meaning, it's your turn to take action. Example 1. I've made my offer. The ball's in your court now. Example 2. You've got all the info. It's up to you now. Bite the bullet. Meaning, to do something difficult or unpleasant. Example 1. I didn't want to apologize, but I bit the bullet. Example 2. Time to bite the bullet and clean the garage. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning, to be very expensive. Example 1. That phone cost me an arm and a leg. Example 2. Flights during holidays cost an arm and a leg. Cry over spilled milk. Meaning, complain about something that can't be changed. Example 1. It's done, no point crying over spilled milk. Example 2. He's upset about the lost deal, but it's too late now. Spill the beans. Meaning, reveal a secret. Example 1. She spilled the beans about our surprise trip. Example 2. Don't spill the beans about the promotion. Break the ice. Meaning, to make people feel comfortable in a new situation. Example 1. A joke is always a good way to break the ice. Example 2. She broke the ice by asking everyone fun questions. Actions speak louder than words. Meaning, what you do is more important than what you say. Example 1. He says he'll help, but actions speak louder than words. Example 2. Don't promise, show me. Break the bank. Meaning, spend a lot of money. Example 1. Buying that car didn't break the bank after all. Example 2. Dinner here won't break the bank, it's affordable. What did you think? Did you understand all the expressions? Which one is most used in your country? Write in the comments if you know any expressions I didn't mention. If you want, subscribe to the channel, and let's stay in touch. All the best, and see you next time.